Today, let me introduce you to a lesser used function, Manual Recalculation. Take this document as an example. Now, the cells have formulas. When we modify the source data, the values in the table will also change automatically. That's because the table turns on the automatic calculation by default. When we need to process a particularly large amount of data in the worksheet, if we still choose automatic calculation, then every time we change the source data, the table data processing speed will slow down. At this point, we can switch to manual recalculation mode. First, we need to click the Menu drop-down menu and click Options. Then select the Calculation option to check the Manual option. When we modify the source data, the values of the table are no longer calculated automatically. So how can we calculate manually in the manual mode? Click the Formulas tab and the Calculate Sheet button. Then the formula of the table will calculate the correct result. We can also recalculate the formula results with shortcut F9.